Okay, guys. Am I audible online? So, online, anyone please confirm? Am I audible? Okay. But they are saying audible now? I don't know. There is issue in the link. Please check it. Okay, guys. So, good morning, all of you. Welcome back to DevOps plus AWS sessions. So, I'm sharing my screen. Let me change chart, everyone. Okay. Okay, we'll wait. I think many of the people are facing some issue to join here. I think link issue. Unable to join Pravalika. Okay. Let me check with them. Guys, just wait. Huh? Shrikant. Hmm. Okay. Shrikant. Huh? Sri means Shrikant. Guys, please understand, in the initial days, this type of issues will face. So we can rectify the issues, okay, in few days, it's no problem. Or tomorrow. Even I will check in the Telegram. If anyone facing the issues, I will not start the class until rectify your issues. No problem. Okay. How to join Telegram? Can anyone please share Telegram link into that group? I mean, chat. Sorry. Key pairs. So this concept is very, very important, guys. Key pairs. Okay, join, right? I think everyone has joined. Okay. Okay. So, guys, if anyone had to join Telegram online, people, please click on that link. You can join. And same thing offline. Please talk to your admin and join Telegram link. Okay. Yeah. So key pairs concept very, very important. Okay. This concept will come in the Jenkins. This concept will come in the Ansible. Okay. So what is key pair? You need to understand this concept, guys. It's a very okay. Sorry, guys. See, this is EC2. Okay, this is EC2. The backend VPC is there, internet gateway is there, route table is routed. You just assume it. Okay, every time it's very difficult to show, right? And it is working in some availability zone. 1A is at Mumbai somewhere. Now your laptop, I mean your developer is, yeah, your developer is trying to connect your server to do some activities in your application. Not public, guys. Public maybe here. Public are accessing your server by using IPR load balancer. The load balancer concept we'll discuss tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. So till now you just understand 192.168.1.2 some IP is running in this here server backend, right? The public is accessing this application inside Flipkart or whatever application by using IP. Is this clear, right? So now my laptop, see in this application, there is issue. So you are going to update new application. Whatever activity you are going to do, first you need to connect your server, right? So to connect server, what are the things required, guys? As we discussed in yesterday class. First, internet. Point number one is internet, right? And next, public IP. Next, authentication. Authentication is nothing but here I'm writing key pair now. Next, protocol, right? If it is a SSH, if it is a Windows, whatever. Yeah. So if you can see here, these are the requirements, guys, to connect one server. But we are giving access to this application to public only IP. We are not giving any key pair. We are not giving any, authentication something, right? So if you have internet, public, if you have internet, so you can access this application by using public IP and which protocol it will work here? HTTP. Okay. HTTP or HTTPS. If you are accessing from any application, definitely it will work the backend HTTP or HTTPS, right? If you can see any websites, HTTP :/ your IP or your domain name, right? Yeah. So in their case, we are going to provide IP, and if you have internet, you just access your application. This is, you can understand, read. They should not change anything, right? The application, clear? But developers, your team, Flipkart developers are going to change anything. So we need to give access. So how they access? Connect Flipkart server by using these steps, right? Okay. They will connect here first and they will connect here, right or not? So, okay. So public IP we know, internet we know, protocol also we know. To connect developer from here to here, which protocol will work? SSH 22. So here only unknown thing is what? Authentication key pairs. That's what we are explaining now, right? So in this condition, guys, we have a two type of keys. We have a two type of keys. So if you create an EC2 mission, while creating them, there is a key pair. If you click on that, two keys are downloaded immediately. One key is downloaded into your local laptop. This is what? Private key. One key is downloaded into your EC2 server. This is public key. Okay. If both are match only, this key and this key match only, you are able to connect your server. Is it clear, guys? I mean, while server creation time, you can click on the key pair, it will download one key into your local laptop. That is private key. And the backend, one more key is downloaded. You are unable to see that download also. That is server. Server is downloaded one more key. Why? How server will authenticate? If server is not maintaining any key, if I give other key, how server will check this is right, this is wrong? So server also backend one more key is downloaded per pair. Okay. See, if I give one more other key, if I downloaded two servers, I have created different keys I have downloaded. But you know, right? This key is mapped to one server and second key is mapped to a second server. But you are trying to give mismatch. So other key to first server. It will refuse. How it will refuse? How server knows this is wrong key, this is right key? While downloading time, server also will download one more same key. It will say, see, in your mobile now, you are just giving pattern like this lock. While applying time, this is my key. This is my key. Okay. It is loaded into your backend, your mobile processor, right? Okay. This is key applied. Key is created. Key is created. Next time you are giving like this key. Will it accept pattern? No. Why? This key already downloaded in your server, boss. You just give same key. Then only it will accept. Same thing. While you are creating a key, it will download one key in the server and also one key in the laptop. So both will match means you are able to connect. Okay. So here also both will match only you are able to enter into your laptop. Sorry, your mobile, right? First I have given this key. Okay, server is downloaded. And you are giving additionally to enter to your mobile this pattern. Then you are able to access your mobile, right? See how they know before already you have registered this key pattern into your mobile. Mobile is loaded this key pattern. If you can give the same key pattern only, you can able to access your mobile. If you give this access, definitely it will refuse. Why? Already mobile is loaded into this key you have given before. Same thing here also it will work. Is it clear? Okay. I will show you in the lab, we'll get a clarity. Can you repeat and got it? Okay. Okay. One more questions. Keys will different, but the backend pair will happen. There is a common thing for public key and private key. Based on that common thing only, unique identification only, they both will handshake. Then only you are able to connect. Like, okay, it is not SSL certificate, that is different. It's a like. SSL also same thing, right? Yeah. Anyway, see, one more time I'm explaining here. You are going to create an instance. At that time, if you click keep your option, immediately one key is downloaded into your laptop. Same time, one more key is downloaded, same related key is downloaded into your server. If you give this key only, you are able to connect. Why? This is pair of the key, public and private. So, sir, I just downloaded one more key. I'm trying to give here. It will refuse. This is not related to my key. My key is different. Whenever you download the key in your local laptop, na, the same time I have also downloaded, but this is not that key. Mismatch is there. Try with the same key. Is it clear now? Yeah, this is concept of key pairs. Okay, let's try with one instance creation. Then you will get a clarity first. Okay. Okay. 4 instances are there means 4 instances are there means if you download 4 keys will be there. No, sir, I will use the same key for 4 instances. You can use it, right or not? Right or not? All instances public is already created, right? It will understand. Yeah. Okay, let's do some activity. No, you will get a clarity. I hope you guys are created accounts, right? AWS accounts. Okay. Guys, please delete once you are done. Don't keep it running. It's a billable, right? I mean, free tier, no, even though we have to do so many things with this account. Okay, I'm going to create one instance anyway. Okay, just I'm writing the steps here before that. Guys, okay, we can write here. Creation of EC2 server. Creation of EC2 server. So you just understand now, you are creating a server means what are the things required? To create a server, what are the things required? Hmm? What steps is required to create EC2 server? If you go and purchase a one laptop, if you go and purchase a one mobile, what things you need to check there? Shop is good, AC is good like that, na? No, right? Our configurations, laptop configurations. I need more configuration laptop. I need hard disk. I need something, right? Right, only right? So, yeah, very good. First step is maybe hardware. Sequence is not important, but required steps is important. Hardware. Hardware contains what, guys? RAM. RAM, CPU. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This step is mandatory for any server. Is it clear, right? And next, one more step is operating system is required, right? Operating system. See, you are creating a server. Which operating system it is? Linux or Windows or Mac, right? I need to confirm. Okay. OS is required. Hardware is required. Next, hard disk also required, right? Hard disk also required, right? Yes, hard disk also required. Next, three are confirmed. Next, any other? Yeah. So security means this instance will allow to access to whom? That is comes under security, right? Yeah. Next, any other? Very good. I'm writing here network related things. What are that? Region means VPC and subnet. We know, right? Network, the backend, VPC and subnet. Okay. Next here, anything we miss? Oh, okay. For this time, just park aside for the internet gateway and custom network. We are doing with the default network. We can do next custom network. That is correct what you are saying. So in the instance point of view, this 4 is fine. Any other thing is required? Yes, one more thing is required. Key pair, just now we explained, right? Authentication, right? Otherwise, without key pair, how you can connect your instance? These are the major steps, right? And name also will come. So we need to understand one thing here, guys. AWS is giving all regions default networks. When I say default networks, VPCs, subnets, route tables, internet gateway, everything is configured already. That is called default network. But we are not using default network in the real time. Default network is to do practice. Is it clear? So everything we can create a custom network. Default network everyone can access by using internet, right? But custom network, we should not allow others to access our services. Is it clear now? So first we can, our focus is on EC2 instance, not for network, right? Then EC2 is fine. Then we can parallelly focus on network also. Anyway, theory already done on the network, right? So first our focus is to create EC2 server by using existing network, that is default network. And then we can move to the same instance in the custom network. Okay. Yeah. Once we done on the custom network creation and EC2, then we can move to high availability concepts. Those are load balancer and auto scaling. Okay. Yeah. So now if you can go here, guys, I'm going to launch one instance. So here the right side of the corner, this is your account details, account, organization, service quotas, billing and cost management. If you can click on billing and cost management, you can see your present bill and which services you are paying the bill. Everything it will see here. So this is my September, October, November, December, January, February. Okay, $60 present. Okay. Yeah. My present, I need to pay $74.29 for this month. Last month is $47 I have paid. Anyway, okay, this is not my account. This is friend's account. He will pay. Is it clear now? So don't give your accounts to others. Like me, they are also used and asked to pay, right? Okay. My friend is good friend. That's what he is not asking anything. He is a student, guys. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to create a, see, good thing is, guys, sir, if you are creating EC2 instance, is it public or private? That we need to understand, right? It is a public. Why? The default network is public network. Okay, let's check with that. I'm the North Virginia region. So we have a 30 plus 39 plus regions are there, right? In that, North Virginia is a one region. So in the North Virginia region, you can check in the right click. You can see these many are the regions. Okay, these many are the regions. US East, US West, US West, Asia Pacific, Mumbai, and so many regions, Canada, Europe, South America. These are continents. Inside continent, these are the regions. Sir, why I need to create North Virginia? I can create in Mumbai. Yes, you can create in Mumbai. See, okay, I'll just go to one new region which is not used by me, Paris. I haven't created anything in the Paris. First time I have changed my region to Paris. So I'm not creating anything. Nothing is there. But if you can see here, go to your VPCs. See, VPC is there, right? Who created this VPC? Who created this VPC? AWS for your practice. There is no rule to learn custom network for everyone. They know only EC2 creation. Then you can create EC2 by using default network. If I'm doing practice on EC2, No, if AWS is saying you just create a custom network, they don't know how to create custom network. Their job is to create EC2 instance, do the hosting applications. For them, they have created default network configurations. But we are not using this one, right? Yeah. Okay. Guys, you just understand. Default network means the backend same network, whatever custom network we have discussed, same network configuration done. So what are the things I need to check? VPC is there. Next, what I need to check? They are configured or not? Subnets and before that, internet gateway is created or not? We need to check, right? If you can go internet gateway, see created and attached to your VPC. That is default network. If you are doing your own network, you have to do same process, right? What we discussed in the theory. Okay, now, okay, the first checkpoint is done. VPC created, internet gateway is created and attached by AWS. Next, subnets, right? Okay, let's go to subnets. If you can see in the subnets, we can see 3 subnets. Why? The pair is having 3 availability zones. Each availability zone, one subnet by default, AWS is created. See, subnets are there where? In VPC, right? Right or not? See, one VPC, same VPC IDs, but inside 3 subnets are there. Is it clear now? Next, what I need to check? Your subnets is ready. It is a public or private. We will check now, right? So next, what I need to check? Route table. This is my route table, right? If I click on the route table, so where should I check now? Edit routes, right? You remember or not? Internet gateway to route table. If you want to check, you click on edit routes. I told you in the yesterday point. Check on the edit routes. No, already it attached here. If you want to do any modification, edit routes. If you can see here, internet gateway is already attached to this route table, right? Internet gateway attached means the routing. If you can see the yesterday architecture, there is not there. Okay. So the routing the internet gateway, here the internet gateway, for example, this is the VPC. This is the internet gateway. So this is the route table. So if you can like this means this is edit routes. So internet gateway to route table, you have to provide a path, right? Internet gateway to route table. If you can see here, internet gateway, this is to your route table. Destination is 0, 0s. We can create, I will show you anyway. And if I want to check this route table is associated with subnet, where should I check? Subnet association, right? Just click here. Edit subnet associations. See, at this time, this 3 is not associated for this route table. If you can check here, it is associated. If you check here, it is associated, right? Like that. Is it clear? Anyway, just we can do some trial by using existing network, right? So you can create anywhere, guys. Paris or Mumbai or anywhere. Ireland. So every region, there is a default network. Is it clear, everyone now? Okay, now my focus is to create my focus is to create, yes, my focus is to create instance. Okay, leave it for custom network at this time. Go to EC2. If you want to open one more tab, just click on the right click and open new link tab. Okay, otherwise it will session, whatever session you have open, it is overwritten. Okay, yeah, I'm here, right? This is the instance block. Now I'm going to create a one instance. Okay, launch instance. This is the first step. Launch instance. Okay, creating instance. Give any name of your instance. That's it. It's a name only, right? Okay, DevOps. Okay, see, application and OS image. Why we need to say that which instance you are going to create, Linux or Windows or whatever. I'm going to create a Linux, Amazon Linux. In the Linux class, I'm going to explain. We have a different distributions in the Linux. See, these are the distributions: Ubuntu, Red Hat, so many. Okay, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to explain Amazon Linux at this time. So these are the versions. Amazon Linux image you are you are taking that. There is a lot of versions are there here. 2023, I'm going to take recent one. Okay. Okay. This is, we know, right? Bit 64-bit or 32-bit. Same like laptop, everything. Now, what is this, guys? Instance type means what? What things are there in that? 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU means this is hardware configurations, right? Hardware configurations there in your instance type. For example, sir, here I'm able to see 1 GB. Where is 2 GB RAM? If I need 2 GB, click a drop down here. So we can see here 2 GB is here. You have to pick T2 small size. No, I need a big size. I need a 64 GB RAM. You just scroll here. You can see the matching one, 64 GB. Click here. 32 CPUs will come. But we are doing here just to practice, right? Better to go free tier. Otherwise, you need to pay dollars. So I'm the free tier. So the name T2 instance type may be new for us. But if you go inside, okay, instance type is related to say RAM and CPUs. If you can come here, the point is here, hardware RAM. So here, I'm just mapping here instance type. Okay. And here I'm mapping here AMI image. OS means if you can see here, one image is generated. Just for understanding, AMI, Amazon Mission Image. So in the previous, nowadays, if you're going to install any OS, there is image directly. The image contains all configurations. If you scan that image, immediately OS is going to download. No need to configure all steps by manual process. That's what every OS, the backend one AMI ID is there, mission ID. That is unique ID. If I change Ubuntu here, one more ID will be there. If I change Amazon Linux, different ID will come. So here, every OS, there is a ID that is image ID. It's a unique. Okay. Yeah, payable. Okay, next step is, okay, I have selected Amazon Linux OS. I have selected T2 Micro for free tier. Free tier there, I think if you create a new account now, they will give 750 hours free tier. 750 hours will calculate based on you have selection of free tier only. If I select T2 small, it is not under free tier, right? It is chargeable. It is not calculated over 750 hours. If you can see 0.025 US dollars per hour, you have to pay that. Okay. If you give free tier, no need to pay. This is free tier option is there. Now here, this two is clear, right? Hardware configurations and OS. Now here, key pair. So key pairs are two types as we discussed, right? So you can use existing key pair. Here there is no key pair in my account. Region specific key pairs are. In my US East one, Mumbai, I have created all the key pairs. I can use the same key pairs, but I'm just working with the Ireland. It's a very first. So there is no any existing key pairs. I'm going to download a key pair. See, concentrate here. If I click on a create new key pair, so there is a two type of methods, RSA and ED25519. This is just for configurations. Strings. If I take a RSA, make key will get digits will come in 32 digits. If I select 64 digits like that only, but both there is no difference. So RSA encrypted private and public key pair. Same thing. This was also encrypted private and public key pair. So what we discuss key pair, we have a two type of keys, public and private key pair. The two may encrypted by using these two methods. Is it clear now? Now you can give the key pair name. I'm going to give DevSecOps here. Okay, understand it here. And file format. You have a key file that is a format, two type of file formats here, .pem or .ppk. So there is a, if you want to connect your server, we have a third party tools like MobileStrum, Putty, GitHub. So many third party tools are there to connect your server. Or you can connect your server by using direct command prompt also. Or if you are a Mac user, terminal also. But if you are using any third party tool, the visibility is very good compared to in your command prompt. Okay. So you need to say that if it is a Putty tool you are using now, Putty will support only Putty tool means connect your server. There is a tool that is called Putty. So if you are using the tool, na, it will support .ppk format key file only. In that case, you can select this one. If you are not using putty, if you are using other tools, you can use .pem. Key file inside key is same. File format is different. That's it only. The Word format, Excel format, something. So many formats are there, right? Word format, PDF format, but content is same, right? So here also the different formats only. But my recommendation go with .pem. I'm going to use MobaXterm tool. Okay, I will show you how to download and how to connect also. So go with .pem. It will work for your terminal also. So is it anyone has any doubts in this? Give your key pair name and select anyone here, this one or this one for encryption, and select .pem. If you create key pair means, so key is downloaded, right? In my local. DevSecOps.pem. I have selected .pem option, right? So it is downloaded into my local laptop. So this is the private key. So in your local laptop is download key, that is private key, as we discussed. And related public key is downloaded into your server. Is it clear, everyone now? Yeah. So now, okay, let's come now here. Keys created, right? If you are going to connect your server, you have to use the local file what downloaded into your local laptop, right? Okay. Now, what is this? Some project we can use, you can use anything, guys. You can use anything. By what is your agenda? Connect to your server. Some persons are go by flight. Some persons go by train. For me, I'll go by walk. It's my wish. But my destination is important, right? Yeah. Okay. If I want to show only putty, I will show putty also. Just connection only. 1 minute is the task. Okay. Anyway, leave it, guys. Don't think much. See, these three is clear, right? One is image. One is instance type. The required server is 1 GB or 1 CPU. The required server key authentication we have created. What is this? Network. This is the point will come VPC, subnet, security groups and all. But we are going with the default network, right? We are not creating any VPC subnets. We'll create tomorrow. First, our focus is instance. If I show both in same class, may you confuse. Where should I put our confidence in the instance or the custom network? That's what I'm choosing as a default network at this time. So, okay, at this time, I'm going with the existing security group. I'm not going to create any security groups. Already default security group is created for any network. It is routed to your network, in your instance. Okay. Okay. So if you can see here, VPC, this is only one VPC is created by AWS, right? I'm using that VPC. No preference, default subnet in any availability zone. I'm not giving any preference. Any default, any subnet it will pick. No, sir, I want to give. Okay, click on it. Give preference. 3 subnets are there, right? You can give any subnet. Otherwise, just leave it. It will give any subnet. All subnets are same. All subnets are public, right? Whatever it is. Auto SN public IP is enabled. So if your disable means public IPs will not generate for EC2 instance, so no one will connect. So you have to enable it. Okay. Now what is this? What is this? Configuration storage means what? Storage means what? Yeah, hard disk. See, SSD. Now our hard disks are SSD, right? SSD. So now let me change here. Hard disk means what? Configure storage. Okay. Keeper, we know security means here VPC, subnet, and SG. Key pair means key pair only, right? Key pair, public and private. Security means we can consider here SG group only, security group. And network here you can consider VPC, subnet SG also. The network it will come. Is it clear, guys, everyone? Okay. So now, yeah. So the default volume is 8 GB. Okay, let me try 7. It's not taking. Remember or not? In VM creation, the 8 GB is the default one. I discussed, right? That's what we are going with the Docker to create 20 MB, 10 MB on top of the your EC2 instance to give your space, right? Okay. I'm not going to go any advanced details at this time. So is there fine all steps? Any new steps are there? Any unknown steps are there? These are all we discussed in last classes, right? Okay, let's launch an instance now. Okay, I just launch a one instance means instance state is pending at this time. It will take some time to, yeah, actual state. So whatever configurations you are giving, all configurations working the backend to provide your mission. That's what it's taking time for 30 seconds running now, right? So now your server is running, your server RAM is 1 GB, your server CPU is 1, your server hard disk is 8 GB, your server authentication created, your server security group created, your server network also we have chosen, right? Okay, is it clear how to create a server? Anyone has any doubts now? Has Terraform replaced all the steps? Yes, exactly. So Terraform has to take care. You need to understand. Let me again jump to our architecture. Reference architecture. This is not actual architecture. Okay. Let's go to DevOps. Okay, this is old one. Let me show you now. Okay. Okay. So if you can go here, my script. Yeah. See here. I have created EC2 instance, right? Created EC2 instance only by manual process. This EC2 I can use by Terraform. If the requirement will come, I need one server to do all the activities. That server you can create by Terraform in the real time, not in the manual process. But if you know manual process only, you can do the Terraform. You don't know what is security group. You don't know what is key pair. How you can pass in the Terraform first? Is it clear? Yeah. Terraform, I will take care in very, very easy manner. Don't worry. It's a scripting, big scripting. Can you repeat in fast mode now? Ah. So this is the script where I have a Terraform. We can create in this instance. Okay, guys. Just kidding, huh? Guys, smiles always, give positiveness in your thoughts. Okay. Always keep smile. This is the key, guys. This is what, guys, private or public? Private. Sir, where is public key? I will come to that point only now. Is it clear now? Yeah. Where should I check my public key? Sir, in instance, na? So I need to go my instance inside. So this is North Virginia region. Quit here. If you can see here, I will explain one more time. Don't worry. I will create server one more time. Even we are going to create servers, multiple servers for our regular practice. So my server is running, right? How to connect server first? Guess to connect server from the outside. What are the things required? Public IP, protocol, authentication, internet. What next? Key pair. Is it clear, guys? Let's trial with that. I have a mobile application already. So how to install Mobextem? Go to your internet, Mobextem, download. If you are using Putty also, you can download it. Yeah. Guess, here two things we can see. Home edition, professional edition. Which I need to select? Home only. We are not a professionals, huh? Don't click $69. See here. It will automatically debit. So leave it for go with home edition, guys. Click on here. Max sessions, 12 sessions. SSH tenors. So many thing configurations are, these are different. These are unlimited configuration. There is a limited configurations. Anyway, we are going to connect only 2-3 servers only, not for 10, 20, right? Even we don't have money to create 20 servers. We are a free cost. So, okay, once you click on that, it is going to download into your local laptop. See here asking one more edition, portable or installer. Go with installer edition. Guys, one request, don't do any practice in mobiles, okay, please. I have seen many people doing practice in mobiles. AWS practice. Okay. Yesterday, one person is showing me, sir, my instance is not working. Where is your? He's showing in his mobile. Sir, see, where is security group? Yes, not correct, guys. That is. Maybe in his point of view, right? My mobile is OS, having OS, my mobile having internet hardware. Why it is not work? It will work, but appearance is not good, right? If you here, I'm able to see all the things, instance, all are things. In his mobile, I'm able to see only instance. Where is types? He's scrolling down. Where is he scrolling down like this? Very difficult. Okay, after installing Mobextem, guys, these are the steps you need to follow. These are the already sessions I just opened. Let me close all sessions and delete here. Okay, once you downloaded Mobextem, click on the Mobextem. This page will you are able to see. And here you can give sessions. Click on session, and this server is Linux server, right? So which protocol it is? These are the list of protocols. Which protocol I need to select? SSH. Click on that. Remote host means public IP, right? Remote host is nothing but public IP. Okay. This is your public IP. You have enabled public IP, right? While creating. So copy, paste it. Next, advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Give your private key. Downloaded, right? Already. This one. Wait, Shrikant is calling. Shrikant. Okay. 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 Just 1 minute. Guys, there is an update from Shrikant. I'm going to enable his audio now. Just please. After that, we can. Shrikant is talking.
Yeah, good morning all. I'm audible. Online students. Online students, I'm audible. Please confirm. Guys, see, this is an important message. You have got the students who are joining from India. You got the login credentials, right? Everyone got the login credentials? Yeah. In the login credentials, your user ID password is there, and how to attend classes video link is there, and we have given app support number. You just log in the class at by 8:45 or 8:50. So if you have any login issues, you can send a message through WhatsApp to that number. Okay. If you have any login issues, take a screenshot, share them in the WhatsApp, and put your message to them that I'm facing this problem. They will resolve the issue. Since last 2-3 days, students are facing lots of problem while logging in. So I request everyone to join the class at 8:45 or 8:50, so that they will be having, if you have any login issues, you share the screenshot to the WhatsApp app support team number. Once again, I'll share the app support number. You can save that and you can share the screenshot and message the issue what you're facing. Because every day I can't, because I'll be taking care of other batches also on time. I can't share the link to you people. You can contact them. They will resolve your issue only through WhatsApp. If you call also, they won't pick the call. So you send them a message in WhatsApp. Okay. I'll be sharing you the number, app support number, app support number. 1 second, guys. I'm set. Number 292-932-26789. Okay, no? Guys, I've shared the number of the app support team. You please, if you have any login issues, you take a screenshot of it and send them through the WhatsApp. They'll respond. And try to join the class by 7:45. 8:45. Try to join the class at 8:45. If you face any login issue also, you can share them so that they can resolve your issue on time. Is that clear, guys? Can you please confirm in the chat box? Is the message clear? Only 7 or 8 students have responded here. What about others? Yeah, thank you.
Yes, I'm audible now. Okay, see, please join the class at least 10 minutes before. If you have any issues now, you take a screenshot and just send message the WhatsApp number, whatever we have shared, can rectify the issue. Even whilst every day I will check the Telegram group. If anyone facing the issue, I will wait for some time to rectify the issues. Okay. But before, please join 5 or 10 minutes prior. Don't wait 9 means 9, 5, 9 to like that. Okay. Okay. Let's jump to the top, our topic. So I will explain one more time the same concept. Don't worry. So I have given my private key path, right? Okay. Just click OK. So we are facing some issue here. I'm unable to connect my server. What would be the issue? I have given correct key, right? I have given correct key. I have selected correct IP, but I'm unable to access. What would be the reason here? See connection timeout, finally. So understand the concept. Okay. This is my server EC2. These errors are very important, guys. So this is my laptop. I'm not inside of the AWS network. I'm outside of the AWS network, right? I'm in the Hyderabad now. So I'll just try to connect my EC2 instance. I just got an error, connection timeout error. What would be the reason? See guys, okay. If you are unable to access your server means what I need to check? What are the points are there? To connect your server, what are the points are there first? So let's come here. Internet, public IP, key pair, protocol. Internet I have, right? Public IP is correct, right? Sure, authentication is right? So protocol I don't know, right? So SSH, instance enable or not SSH? I need to check, right? Instance need to allow. Okay, anyone can come with the SSH protocol. Okay, I will enable that request, right or not? So I need to check my security groups that protocol is enabled or not. See, go to instance. This is my DevOps instance. If you can come here, security is there in the security. Okay. So it's a default security group I have selected, right? So if you can see here, these are the inbound rules. These are the outbound rules. What we know outbound rules? Allow for all protocols, all port range, all destinations. So no problem. If you can see here, there is some differences there. Okay, let me open this one. Okay, this is just for seeing the things. If you want to write something, open that security group. Okay, I have opened now. I'm in the security group now. If you can see the inbound rules, edit inbound rules. If you want to change anything, right? Okay. If you can see here, custom, whoever using this, whoever connecting the instance from inside of this, AWS network, it will allow all traffic, SG. If it is a anywhere IPv4, anyone can connect outside or inside. If I give IPv4, this IP only going to connect. These are the rules. So here earlier SG is there, right? So it is for only whoever there inside of the VPC, they will connect. But I'm outside of the AWS network, right? Well, let me delete. I will create a fresh rule, no problem. So add a rule here. Which rule it is? Which rule I need to create here? Connecting process, developer connecting process to server. Which protocol I need to enable? SSH, right? Just come here, click SSH. Here you need to check. I mean, only for this laptop or all. So at this time I can give all. 000 is nothing but if you can see here, rules with the 000 allow all IP address to access your instances. We recommended setting security groups to allow access from known IP address only. Anyway, this is just practice, right? So for example, guys, my IP means this is my IP. So if I can click in the Google, what is my IP? My laptop IP. See, same IP, right? My laptop IP. This is my laptop IP. So automatically AWS is fetching these details. This is your laptop IP. I will allow to connect you only your laptop. Okay, otherwise all traffic. Okay. This is indicates source. This is type. This is protocol. This is protocol port number. Is it clear now? So we need to check this point is very important. Many people they just check here SSH is enabled, 20 also enabled, it will work. No, you have to check the source also, right? So my source is anywhere for all. Now save the rule. Okay, I have enabled SSH 22. My instance is enabled. If anyone will come by using SSH protocol, they will connect, no problem. This is the process. Yeah, very good. So now let's try again. If you give R, it is restart the session. Otherwise, I'm just closing, open one more session, just for your understanding only. What is this? Public IP of your EC2 instance. So what is my public IP of my EC2 instance? Just go to instances. So today is the day one, right? Lab. So what you need to do, just understand what the things are there in the EC2 instance. And if I click on the EC2 instance, these are the steps what we created. Monitoring, security, network comes under VPC, subnet, all those things. Security comes under your security groups, storage, your hard disk details, like that. Just tag means whatever name you have given, there's a comes under tags. Okay, anyway, so what I need to do, guys? So I need to copy my public IP to connect from the MOBA extra. Yeah, this is clear. And this is also clear. Yes, I have downloaded the same key. I'm giving that. Okay, clear. Next, okay. So this time, press accept if you trust this identity and want to carry on the connecting. Yes, login as. You just log in your server. So to log in as a server, in the Linux, this is a Linux server, right? If you're logging any Linux server, you have to say which user I have to log in. Okay. For example, it's a Amazon Linux EC2 instance, right? Amazon Linux EC2 instance, the default user is EC2-user. If it is a Ubuntu server, default login user is Ubuntu. Like that, it will change. It's a default user only. So my Linux, Amazon Linux, right? EC2-user. Sorry. EC2-user. Okay, this is the username. Where is the password? Pemple is your password. Okay. Okay. Pemple already we have uploaded, right? See, I'm in my Linux EC2 instance. Okay. I have connected my Linux EC2 instance. This is private IP. You are in the instance inside, right? You are in the private IP. If you can go 172.31.43 is the private IP. You are able to connect your EC2 instance. Is it clear, guys? Now, okay. Connection timeout. Why the issue is coming? So if you are not enabling your protocol port number, right? Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll just close the session. Okay, I'll just close the session. Now I'm going to try again one more method. No, sorry, this is private IP. I think so. Let's go to my public IP and giving here. Now, so yes, this is very clear. If you are not enable SSH, you will get a timeout error, right? Now I'm going to give private keys a different private key. Any a different private key, not for this. So let's key. Okay, other key I'm giving. Okay, okay. This time login is coming. Why? Okay, anyway, our request is hit to our server, right? That's what you are able to see login as. Now I'm going to give EC2 user. I'm trying to log in the EC2 user, right? Default user. So PEMFL already there, right? So enter. Why? Server refused our key. No support authentication method. Server is saying my end is different key. You are uploading different key. So we are not allowed inside of server. Is it clear? No? Sir, why login is coming? In the earlier case, we are unable to see even login as also. What is the difference here to there? Connection is already made here. SSH enabled connection made. Our request is enter into the AWS. Once enter into the EC2, it will verify the key now. Right or not? It will verify the key. It will check, okay, this is wrong key, given the request to you. But in the earlier case, key is right. But key is right. Authentication is there. But first protocol is there, right? You have a book a destination Goa. You have a key, hotel key. But key is correct. Room is correct. Goa destination is correct. But there is no protocol, right? You have to go there first, right? If I apply key here, the room door will not open, right? You have to go there first and then verify key is right or wrong. That's what login is there. But in this login is, yes, you are enter into that Goa. Key is wrong. Wrong key you have tried the hotel. Change the key. Is it clear the difference both? So in your case also, if refused no support authentication, only two type of errors only we can see here. No support means don't check security groups. Your key issue is here. Timeout means protocol issue. Is it clear now? Yeah. Let's close all the sessions again. Again, I'm going to open one more session. So this time I'm going to give everything is in the correct. Okay. So go to your public key, public IP, sorry. I'll just go to give my correct key pair now. DevSecOps, okay. So you can give username here also. If you are giving here, no need to give there, okay. Username, this is key pair, this is IP is this is protocol, this is 4 things are there, right? SSH protocol, host name, I mean public IP, username, and compile. 4 are there. Now you can go and connect. See directly, no need to give anything. So you are the EC2 user. So the Linux class, I will just discuss what is EC2 user, what is root something and everything. It will come in the Linux classes. So far, anyone has any doubts? What? Linux. Linux GUI will be there, no? You have to configure again GUI, but all work in the command lines. There is no GUI. Ah, okay. It is not. See. While downloading Mobexton, there is a 2-option portable installer, right? Yeah, installer. Yes, Mohammed Imran, installer. Sir, can you show from edit inbound? Yeah, I'll come to that. Wait. And end of the session, do I need to end the EC2 instance AWS or it's fine? I will show you how to start. Oh my God, so many messages. Let me show. So is this clear, right? How to connect your server now? So guys, your server still running right now. Your server still running, you know. If you want to stop the server, for example, you have some other work. Again, you need to work on the EC2 instance. No need to terminate, delete, just stop it. Okay. Even the stop also, bill will generate, but the bill compared to running, it's less bill. Right or not? See, if you use stop, see here, the difference is public IP is 3248, right? If I stop my instance, it will stop. Okay. Then you can do your work and again you can start your instance, you can start your work again. Okay. Okay. Stopping mode. I will clear all questions, don't worry. So tomorrow, same work by using custom network. Okay. And also I'm going to show you bash and host process also. What is bash and host? I will tell you. So you may get a one doubt, right? Developer is connecting your instance, right? But instance is public instance, right? But you are saying if it is a private instance, how developers is going to connect? That's what we need to think, right? Without public IP, private IP will work to connect. Okay, let's try here also, private IP. Private IPs work only inside of the network, not outside of the network. We are outside of the network. We are using public IP by using internet, right? Yeah. So my instance is stopped, right? You can start again if required. If you stop instance now, if you can see here, instance is session stopped here. Clear? So every day we are doing work here only, installing Jenkins, installing Git, installing Docker, something we are doing here only. Okay. Okay. Now again, I'm going to start instance. If you can see, if you stop or start, private IP is still same IP will be there. It's internal IP, right? But external IP is means public IP. It will change. Why? It is a dynamic in nature. Public IPs are. I think one of the class I have explained static IP, dynamic IP difference, right? Static IPs are always fixed. It will not change. Anyway, we can discuss. Meanwhile, let me see. We can access server in our local laptop, upload our project code. Sir, what is the main purpose of use Mobexton? To connect your server. It's not allowing me to stop my instance. Why? Can we work the git bash terminal? Yes, you can work. Can you please share us the steps to create EC2 instance? Here are the steps I will share in the. Can we get the sandbox account? Let me check with them. What is Mobexton? Okay. So start instance successfully started. Now it's a pending. Okay. Okay, guys. Here, what is a MobXterm, right? Guys, here we have a third-party tools. Okay, MobXterm and Putty. These are third-party tools. We can use the Git Bash also. I will show you in the Git class, and we can use your terminal also. Okay. If it is a terminal, directly you can connect from your command prompt to your EC2 instance. I will show you now. Or if you are using any MobXterm third-party tools, Putty, it will give a good visibility. That's what we are using third-party tool. These are not mandatory tools to use in your work progress. Okay. So why I'm using to give a good progress? Just we are visibility is good here. Or we have one more option. I will show you the best option. May you like that option also. See, this IP is changed, right? So if I give a refresh, it will not work. For example, I will give a refresh, not work. Endpoint is wrong, right? IP change, start to stop, the dynamic IPs will change. Even my laptop IP also will change tomorrow, right? So it's a dynamic. We can plan some other day what is dynamic and static IPs anyway. So now, okay, to connect any instance in the cloud, we are using the 4-5 steps. One is endpoint, protocol, IP, key pair, and something, right? We are in the outside of the network, right? We are in the outside of the AWS network. I'm the Hyderabad. AWS network is here in the Mumbai, right? So I'm using a public internet to connect my server, right? So we have one more option, guys. No, sir, I'm not going to use any third-party tool. I'm not going to use any command prompt. I'm not going to use any terminal. So simply click on your server, connect. It will connect directly. So may you will get it out. Anyway, it will connect. Connect, right? Okay. Did I give any authentication? Okay. Then why it is connected? Authentication. Without authentication, it is connected, right? Why? Anyone? I haven't passed any key here. Then why it is connected, authenticated? Security group? No, I haven't. Security group is all for network. That is for only protocol, right? But what I'm saying, I haven't passed any key pair path, right? Protocol is there. Key pair path. My key is where? Here. If I download also, it will connect, right? Why? That's what my question. Okay, let me delete. No, not no. I will delete later. Hmm. So I'm in already in AWS, right? I have already logged in my AWS account, right? So why you need to authenticate again separately? These guys, I don't know who is this. I don't know who is this guy. He's outside of the my AWS network. Yeah, he's not logging my account, right? He's just outside of the network. So he's saying that, hey, I'm your guy only. What is the proof? This is the proof. Private key. Okay. Then you can connect. But you are already inside of network. You are just giving connect option only. Why authentication required? You are only same person created AWS server, right? That's what it's allow. Clear the difference? Any confusions here? So now, for example, let me check any name. Muhammad Imran is there, right? Hey, Muhammad Imran, can you connect my server? Sir, please provide them file. Otherwise, he is unable to connect, right? Otherwise, provide your AWS account credentials, sir. I will go and log in. I will use the connect option. Is it clear now? Yes. If I will share my PEM file to him, he will easily connect by using third-party tool. He knows public IP, he knows protocol, he knows PEM file, connect directly. Is there any difference? So if you want to say to others, can you check my instance, something is wrong, you need to share your PEM file to them. They will save into your some document. They will give the path while connecting them. Is it clear now? Yeah. Okay. So this is approach 2. Approach 3. We have a CMD prompt, right? Command prompt. If you can go here, if you can go here, if you change private key, na, it will not work. Why? public key will not understand, right? If you're doing changes, your instance already public key is there. I will show you where it is. If you change yourself, it will not handshake. It's a wrong authentication, right or not? For example, what you are saying here, what you are saying here, in your mobile, you have already registered one key pair into your mobile. You are trying with different key pair. It will not work, right? Same thing here also. If you restart server, no, server restart, it is not impact. Second path we use it. See, AWS terminal simple, guys. See here, there is a command to connect from your terminal. If you are a Mac users also, you can connect. Click on that, connect options, use SSH client option. There is a command here. You can run in your command prompt. It is going to connect. But you need to understand. DevOps, DevSecOps.pam is there now. You need to understand. If I run here, I will get an error. Why? I will get an error. Why? This file is not there in this my user. It is there in the downloads. Is it clear, everyone? If I give, so Mac users, if you download it, just go to your download path. You can run this command. You are able to connect. If you are not wish to go with any third-party tools. Anyway, what? Yes, I'm able to. I'm trying to connect. So, okay. Okay, permission denied, key is not there, right? So what I'm going to do, so I'll just go to my users. I'll just Control C, go to C and users. This time I'm just pasting here my key. Okay. Now I will try. See clear? So in your and also in your Mac, so just go to CD downloads. Otherwise, I also changed to CD downloads my path. Otherwise, change your key to your path, whatever. Now you are connected, right? No third-party tool is required, right? So here three approaches we discuss: by using third-party tools, by using your local mission, by using directly connect option. Which option is better? You can go with that. Is it clear now, everyone? Okay. Last approach. See, this is the last approach, right? See, okay, let's go here. Click on the instance, connect, go to SSH client. There is a command. This command is called SSH-I, your user, EC2 user, your public IP, that's it only. But in between, we have a file to access this EC2 instance. If you remember this command, no need to come here, you just directly hit it. But the file should be in your path. My file is here in the download. That's what I just changed it to my file from here also there, and also move to my present working directory. My present working directory is user. So that's what I have shared my DevOps key into there, my user here. In your case, you move your file or change your path to your file, whatever. No, sir, this is very confusing to me. Simply come and connect your EC2 instance. No path, no more. But the thing is, guys, definitely there is a drawbacks are there. If you connect here now, session will still be there 30 minutes without you are doing anything. Still it will be connect mode. But if you are connecting here now, if you are not doing any 10 minutes now, again you need to refresh your mission. I mean, refresh means not instance. Your session will be refresh. What is that? If I giving connect now. So here you need to refresh, not your EC2 instance. Sometimes, see, now it is working, right? After some time, if I'm not doing anything now, after 10 minutes, it is going to stop mode. Again, I need to refresh. But in the third party tool, it is not like that. Always it will work. That's what the beauty of the third party tools. Is it clear now? So one important thing is, guys, sir, everything we clear, but one thing is pending. That is, where is the public key? Right or not? You have shown private key, and where is the public key? The public key is cd.ssh ls cat. I'm just leaving for this commands. I'm showing you a key only. That's it only. This is public. See, guys, DevSecOps. My private key is what? DevSecOps. There is a link, right? If you change any other key, it will not understand. That's what. There is a handshake between public and private key. So public keys are there in authorized keys file. Authorized keys files there in .ssh folder. Is it clear now? In the Linux class, we'll discuss more clear how to switch back from here to here and everything we can discuss. Anyway, we have seen public key, private key. Public key is there in .ssh folder. Is it clear, everyone? .ssh folder and authorized keys. Okay, now you can ask any doubts. We can close this session for today. How instance will confirm the private key in the content? See, if you can see here, there is a DevOps, right? Our key file name is what? The DevOps. It will not work. If you can see the command, right? If you rename it, how it will verify? First of all, you need to change here also. Okay. First of all, why we need to rename the key file? That's we need to understand, right? Why working key file? Why we need to change the rename? Which one is the better third party app or other terminal or for Macs? For a Mac, go with terminal option. Madhuri. Yes, it's changed. That's what we are connecting load balancer, right? That is load balancer taking care. If instance public IP will change, na, load balance keep on connecting to your target groups, right? That's what we are using load balancer. That is also one more option, right? We have one more option. Whatever public IP is created, right? We can create a static IP also in that place. That is called elastic IP. That will not change. So that public private key is used to secure data encryption, decryption real time is right. Key is mandatory, but key is not like that inside like power star, superstar, megastar, whatever stars. Yes, maybe key inside that is the content, but we are unable to see the content. It's encrypted into different format. That's what SSH keys say. Maybe the background, it is encrypted into, this format. We're unable to understand this key, right? At least first of all, this is encrypted format. We are not going to decrypt here. The system itself, it will decrypt if you are giving encrypt format. Okay. And one more thing is what we did today is create server. See, you create a server and try with other approaches, and also try with create a errors by you, like try with different PEM file, try with disable your protocol and again connect it. Just observe what type of error you are getting. That's it only. Okay. What is the default username password? Default username is easy to user. That's what we discussed, right? Easy to type and user. Password is PEM file. How to open AWS terminal? What is AWS terminal here? We have a one more approach also there. There is a cloud shell. Don't work with that. There is so many issues in that. Okay. Sir, if we stop instance after our work done, then free tier is, yes, you are right. Working hours. But you need to understand, if you stop still your configurations there, volume, hard disk will be there, right? You will get some hard disk charges. I mean, those are running in the 750 hours. Okay. Okay, any doubts, guys? Sir, permission denied error in the CMD third party. Okay, you have to run this command first. In your terminal, guys, if you are getting permission denied, if you are giving even the correct path, just go to here, run ch this command. This is permissions only. I will explain the Linux classes. Run this command first and run this one. Yes, question is coming from the Pravalika, right? Sir, how you need to convert PEM to PuTTY? PEM to PuTTY means PEM to PPK. This question is PPK format already there. No need to convert. You can use the .ppk method. Yeah. Sir, time is over. Your questions is there now. That's what I'm giving your answers. Time is over. Just, sir, I have created AWS account personally. Is it use? Is it issue? What? Yeah, no problem. We can create personal also. Guys, okay, I'm done for today. There is an announcement from the mentors. Please listen what they are saying. It is a very important thing. Sir, not able to see the notes from day one. I have updated in the classroom and Telegram also. Okay, I'm going to update day 2 for today notes also in the Telegram and classroom. If you're not joined, please join. When you choose PPK file format, the keeper is respective format download. You can download PPK dot extension, right? Your file name and dot PPK extension. Okay, guys, over for today. Just listen. Mentors are here. They are going to give some input information to you. Very important. Very important information. If you are use that, otherwise it is very useful for you, useless for you. But my recommendation is to what they are saying strictly follow. It is your goodness only. Okay, I'm hand over mic to them. Just listen. How they can listen if yes.
Yeah, hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. We are the mentors, AWS mentors, and I'm the DevOps mentor. You have 3 mentors are there in the lab. While practicing, you have so many doubts and others are facing some issue. We are the mentors for solving your doubts, and sir also there to come to the lab and solve your doubts. And Naresh provide some screening test, mock interviews, mock test also. Utilize the resources from Naresh and AWS mentor is there to solve your doubts for any AWS also. Any account issue or while practicing, any doubts are there, we are the take care about you. Okay.
Now SAR started that AWS classes. Come to lab and practice the AWS course. After the AWS course, the DevOps mentors will be available on the lab. The lab is on third floor. The lab timings are morning 8 to evening 8. And the online lab session also there. It is morning 9 to 1, 2 to 4. Okay. Come to lab and practice. Utilize the lab facility. Bring your own laptops. Okay. Wi-Fi is there. Okay. Thank you.
Guys, so please use this opportunity. Okay, this is the free of cost, no need to pay anything. So if you are facing any issues now, for example, maybe I'm not available, still you are facing the issue. Simply you can communicate your mentors. So I'm facing this issue. This is the today class issue. So can you please help me to that? Immediately they will help you and resolve the issues. Anytime. There is no timings. Morning to evening, if you are come to institute, they will help you. You have a 2 options from me or mentors. If I'm not available, even though if I am available, check with them. Maybe you will get some new things from them. Right or not? I miss something in the flow. They will cover that. So why can't we check with others? So talk multiple people with the same subject, we can increase the knowledge. So that's what I can say. So please use this opportunity, both online and offline students. Okay, online students come up with your own laptops and do the practice here. And online students also, if possibilities are there, you can come to institute to do the lab. If not possible, means you can attend the online sessions, online lab sessions. You will get a links and register mail IDs. You can click on the links. You can join mentors also available in that links. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Sir, there is no source online mentor. That's what I'm saying. You will get a link, Zoom links into your mail IDs. Please keep track your mails. Okay, and click to the link and talk to your mentors. So in that mail itself, everything is there. So mentors are available morning, this time to this time. You can log in that link and mentors are available at the time. You can talk to them regarding your doubt. Is it clear, guys? Okay. And offline students, after just now complete the class, right? You can go directly third floor and do the practice for today lab also, if you are a dedicated students. No, sir, we are working. You're not, na? So so many people are not, right? So directly go to your AWS region. Mumbai is there. They will help you. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your support. Today's videos link Srikanth will share. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Okay. Take care. Bye. Take care, guys. Don't go here and there today. Huh? Bye.